going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just got out of work and I'm heading home. I'm getting ready to do the headlight install on this Mambalona. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited, man. Shit, y'all have no idea how long. It's been over a month that I got this light, and I'm barely gonna install them today. Hopefully, you know, I get home fast because it's getting dark, and obviously I want to do this video on, you know, with light, so I can see everything and so y'all can see everything. But man, hopefully on the way I find somebody to race. You know, that always helps, and especially if you're trying to get there somewhere fast. There's always that one person that is rushing as well. So I know, like over here by where I live, there's a lot of trucks. There's a lot of Hellcats too. So I mean, I don't have to race a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But I do see a lot of fast cars over here, like, you know. So hopefully that, or maybe even a 4-banger like my little daily. But I'm trying to catch something like that on camera, and damn, like, man, should have seen that Mustang right there, cow hood and everything. So this is what I mean, guys. Like, we're trying to catch somebody over here to race with the truck, just to see where the truck is at. But yeah, if we don't find nobody today to race, then I guess I'll just wait. Okay, guys, so sorry I didn't find nobody to race. I'm almost at the house, but I do have some clips of other races that I had before. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, regular shit. Oh, adios, puto. Alright, guys, so I'm in the dungeon. As you can see, I'll be getting ready to open this bad boy right now, finally. So let's begin the install. So you're gonna need a flathead 7-inch. The 7? No, this is the 10mm 7-inch 7mm. I'm sorry. And you're gonna pop this trim first. So what you want to do is take these two 7mm. Come around over here and pop these other two. Then you're gonna pop this piece of trim. Alright guys, so once y'all take the trim off, you're gonna come up here. You're gonna take this little tabs. And we're gonna be using a flathead screwdriver. Basically like this. Oh, don't lose them. There's gonna be 11 of these, I think. Like 12, I believe. But yeah, and then you're gonna pop this off. All right, so once you're done, you have something like this. And this thing's playing games. Look like I forgot about one more over here. Right there. Okay, so next thing, you're gonna disconnect these connections right here. They're not that hard to take out. Then you're gonna pull. Oh, I'm trying to show y'all. Basically, this was like that, so I just pulled it. Same with these connections. They're not that hard to pull off. And now, I'm gonna do the 10 millimeters here. Got 4 of them, so let's do it. All right, so one last thing to take this grill off. You're gonna need a 8 millimeter with an extension. Take this off, both sides, same thing. All right, so let's take the grill off. Alright guys, so the headlights are next. So you gotta really pay attention here. You got 3 10 millimeters, then you got another 10, you got a 8, and you got 10s up here. So let's do that and I'll show you what's next. That's an 8. Alright guys, so this is where it gets a little tricky. Try to pull up. You're wondering why it doesn't come off. Because you got this little piece of plastic that is stuck. So what you want to do is shove a screwdriver in here. You pop that up. That. Need it both of my hands. You come over here. Plug this. Connectors. More over here. The light is free. Now, where's that dumpster? Pretty simple connection. So I'm gonna use both of my hands, so I'll be right back. Doesn't click. Other than that, this one is the one that had the light. But other than that, everything matches up. So this is for the headlight. And this is for that. Alright, so here. No click. Click. Slide. Oh, there goes that. Then Just for the headlight. So that's it. The only one that sketches me out is this one right here, the brown one, because that's it though. Alright guys, so one last thing before we install the headlights all the way, I guess. The way I ran the cable is through here, behind the intake or whatever this little snorkel thing is. Underneath this right here. This is right here. And then comes down here for the light. And then we got this relay for the fuse box, which is gonna go in there, and I'm gonna show y'all which one. So you're gonna take this number 10 right here, and then you're gonna put this in there, and I'll show y'all once I'm done. Alright guys, so just so you know, before you throw this lights away, you're gonna need this piece right here. You're gonna need a T25. Three screws. That's it. Alright guys, one last thing. Do not break these little legs. So when you're putting this thing on, you gotta catch both of the legs. Like so. That's it. And then this one, where's it at? Right there, like that. And now you can bolt it up. Don't screw it up. Just screw it. Oh well. Just gotta put them in there. And I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll be back once it's done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end up taking out the Emblem too. You're gonna need a 10mm with 2 extensions. Like I see, I already took all of them off. So let's pop the Emblem off. That's easy. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a no-go for me. Although it's pretty simple to take them off once you have the grill off, this is gonna be a no-go. So if you look at the back of this Emblem, I'm gonna have to drill, well, if I wanted to, I will have to drill all of these little blue, looks like it's glued that way or put together that way. So it looks like it's a couple pieces. I'm not really trying to get into all that. So I'm gonna order some new ones. Probably just something that comes with this already. And these little legs, because I don't want to break them. So I put the same one back on, just like so, like nothing happened. Damn guys, check it out, finally done. At first I was a little bit pissed off because the driver's side headlight wasn't working, and I don't know, I just unplugged everything, plugged it back on, and I just realized right now that it's working just fine. So yeah, I got it. Okay guys, well thanks for watching.